I think till now, maximum students have entered. Good morning, everyone. Business Studies, 12th class, and we were doing marketing management. And today is the last class of this chapter. So the last topic which we were doing is the promotion mix. And I told you about that after designing the product, developing the product, after doing the branding, packaging, and labeling, then you have decided the price of your product. It means you have done the price mix. Then you have taken a decision about the availability of the product, means how the product will be made available in the market. And now it is very important to provide the information to the people that your product is available in the market, so that they start coming to the market and they can buy your product. For this purpose, I told you that each and every company needs to do promotion of the product, whether it is a service or a good. Promotion is very much essential for the sales of the product, because the efforts whatever you will be putting on promotion, that will be deciding about the sale of the product or the demand of the product, and that will be decide, in turn that will be deciding the profit of the organization. So promotion is a very much important element for for every product launching. So I told you that in promotion, there are four elements. How we can do the promotion: by using advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relation. These four are the four elements of promotion. And already we did advertising, sales promotion, personal selling. And today's topic is public relation. But before going to today's topic, uh, I'm just doing a recap of all the previous three topics. So first of the promotion mix refers to the combination of all the promotional tools which a firm uses to achieve its marketing objectives, or to inform the consumers, and not only to inform, to persuade the consumers. Twin objectives are achieved through promotion, information, and persuasion. And advertising is the first element of promotion mix, which is the most commonly tool of giving information, most commonly tool of giving information to the prospective buyers. And it is the element which targets the mass of the consumers at once. So the definition of advertising goes: advertising refers to paid form. Advertising refers to any paid form Yes, any paid form of impersonal presentation and promotion of goods, services, or ideas by an identified sponsor. I told you that it is a paid form, means promotion advertising is not done free of cost. Then impersonal, there is no face-to-face contact in between the advertiser and the target audience. Then identified sponsor is there. These three were the features of advertising. Then personal selling, where face-to-face contact was there, and it is a two-way communication, and it's more effective because simultaneously the seller can get the feedback about the product, and creation of informal relation also. And I told you that this line is very important in personal selling, that you don't close a sale, you open a relationship. So whenever in any case study relationship is talked about, then your answer will be uh, personal selling. So you open a relationship if you want to build a long-term successful enterprise. Then we did personal form, development of relationship, and then we did the difference between the advertising and personal selling. This difference is very much important. Then we did the sales promotion. Sales promotion, I told you that short-term incentives which are offered, which are designed, which are offered just to boost up the sale, and which will be giving you an immediate effect, to the increase the sales will be increased immediately after the introduction of such effects. And in your project work, some techniques you have to use. I'm telling you those techniques. Till last year, the techniques of sales promotion was the part of the course, but from this year the techniques are not the part of the course. But techniques are not the part of the course, but you have to consider those techniques while doing your project work. So I'm telling you here, you can write the name of the techniques, like in last class also I think I told some, but not the all, so I'm repeating the topic. Discount you all know very well. Then the quantity discount I told you, like some quantity is offered free of cost, like buy two get one free, or we can say 33% etc, 33% extra at the same price. So all these are the techniques. One more technique you can offer with your product, that is the product combination. Like when you are getting the same product free, buy two get one free, then it is the product quantity. But when one product is free some another with some another product, means both the products are not same. One product is the main product which you are buying, and along with that product some extra product you are getting free. That is known as product combination. Like with Maggie noodles you can buy the Maggie soup packet free. With shampoo bottle you can get the conditioner bottle free. With hair oil you can get one comb free. So such type of combinations means one some other product is free with the given product, then it will be known as a product combination. Like if you are taken hair color as your project, so what can be given free with hair color, like the shampoo, one shampoo bottle you can give free, which will be protecting your color in the hair, means that will be helping the long stay of the color in the hair. So you can use this scheme also. This is also very, yes, very good. Bonvita hair dryer, yes, it is not necessary every time that both the products are related. They may be related or maybe not related. Okay, so like we can take many of the examples, like sometime maida is free with the atta, or besan is free with suji. So any type of combination you can make whichever you want. Okay, like with the tea bag, one jar box is free. Yes, bowl with Maggie. Yes, Gurnur, very good. So all these are the example. Bowl with Maggie. Yes, these are the very good examples of product combination. तो जब आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट वर्क करेंगे तो आप भी इस तरीके से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो तीन मैंने आपको अभी तक बताए, डिस्काउंट, क्वांटिटी डिस्काउंट एंड प्रोडक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. One more is there which you can use, but that can be used only for the expensive products. So any student who is going to take the expensive product, he can use this. You can write that is the usable benefit. Write down usable benefit. Usable benefit means along with the product you are offering some benefit which can be used later on, like discount coupons. Whenever we are doing online shopping, then sometime we are getting the vouchers, discount vouchers, redeemable vouchers, which can be redeemed on the next shopping. And sometime whenever we are buying the electronic products like laptop, TV, computer, refrigerator, washing machine, at that time we can buy and get any we can say the usable benefit, like a holiday package free, 2 nights 1 day holiday package free. So that is that type of benefits which we can get the later on, that there is a time period with that package. Within that time period we have to redeem, we have to take the benefit of that package, otherwise afterwards that will be lapse. But make sure that usable benefit you can use only with the products of expensive nature, not with the biscuit, maida, atta, Maggie, all these such products. Usable benefits are normally not offered. One more is there, that is the 0% installment scheme. I think you have must have listened this promotional technique. 0% installment scheme means you need not to pay the whole amount at once. You can pay in installment. 0% means installments will be of interest free. No interest will be charged from the buyer. So it is not possible in the FMCG product. You cannot buy a packet of biscuit on installment. So just consider the nature of your product before adopting any promotional scheme. Okay, so like you are have taken any FMCG product, all the day-to-day need items. So you can take the discount, quantity discount, product combination. These are very good. And suppose you have taken any luxury item, then the usable benefit can be there, or 0% installment scheme can be there. So you cannot blindly follow all the techniques for all the products. Techniques will be selected on the basis of the nature of your product. One more important benefit sales promotional technique is there, that is the scratching of the cards. Scratching of the cards, lucky draw coupons. So when one box is, so you can put the lucky draw sales promotional technique. What is the difference in between the lucky draw and the assigned gifts? Assigned gifts means like lucky draw means a box is kept in the center place of the shopping mall or in the shop, and you have to submit or you have to drop a slip after filling your all personal information on that slip in that box. Then on one day is decided, and on that particular day the slips will be taken out from the box, and the name of the lucky persons will be announced, and they will be informed through messages, and whatever the prize was assured, that will be given to those. And scratch the card means the gift is assured, and gift will be given on the spot same time. So you can also put the method of scratching the cards, like when we are buying any electronic item or any other product, then the electronic shop owner can give us a card that is the offered by the company, scratch, and you need to scratch that card, and at the same time you will be getting your gift. So what is the difference in between lucky draw and instant draws? Lucky draw and instant draws, the other known is known as instant draws and assigned gift. Lucky draw means that will be draw will be made after the purchase on a particular date, and till that date you have to wait. But the instant draw and assigned gift means the draw will be made at the same time, and there is a surety of getting the gift. Because in lucky, in scratch a card and win a gift means the minimum and maximum gifts are mentioned there. Like minimum gift is a 500 rupees recharge, and maximum gift in that card you can win is the 5 days holiday package out of India. So that is the max, and in between these two minimum and maximum many other gifts can be there. So this is the instant draw and assign gift. So all these are the sales promotional techniques. One more I am telling you, which you can use for the FMCG products, like sampling of your products. You have many times seen that in the newspapers you are getting the samples of the product in the form of sachet, like shampoo, coffee, cold cream. Many times we are getting along with the newspapers. And sometime also you have seen that while visiting them in the malls or any market, then the particular stalls are set up by the companies, and they are doing the sampling. Like in trade fair, whenever we visit to trade fair, then the different brands are doing their sampling. How they are doing their sampling? If the product is edible product, then we can get a chance to eat that product, to taste, to check the taste of that product, and we can assure ourselves whether to buy the product or not the product. Like McCann stalls you can see many everywhere in the malls or many other yes, fun flips के अंदर कूपन आता था पहले. Yes, Naman Jain. Yes, that is the example of we can say packaged premiums. Packaged premium, this is the example. Packaged premium means one gift you will be getting in inside the package, and it is not the surety कि आपको वो गिफ्ट मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. लाइक पहले एक बार ऐसा भी होता था जब हम लोग छोटे थे कि सोप के अंदर गोल्ड कॉइन निकलेगा, तो वो गोल्ड कॉइन लेने के लिए पहले आपको सोप को यूज करना है. जब सोप पूरी खत्म हो जाएगी तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि गोल्ड कॉइन है या नहीं है. सो दीज आर नोन एज पैकेज्ड प्रीमियम. पैकेज प्रीमियम मीन्स कि जो भी आपका गिफ्ट है वो पैकिंग के अंदर होगा, और सर्टेनिटी नहीं है, हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. So clear? So many sales promotional techniques I have told you. Rather, these are not the part of the course, but you have to do for your project work. In your project, at least 3 techniques you are going to use. So depending on the nature of your project. So the last P element of promotion mix is public relations. Public relations means public relation involves a variety of programs. One marker definition: to promote or product a company's image and its individual product in the eyes of the public. So whenever in any of the case study you are finding the word image of the company, so image means public relation. Image means public relation. Mass reach means advertising. Personal contact means personal selling. Short term incentive means sales promotion. So with all the 4 elements, one word is there which will be helping you to identify the answer in case study. So whenever image of the company is talked about, then it is all related to the public relation. Okay students, so public relation means trying to create a good image, means all the programs, combination of all those programs which will be helping a business firm to create a good image of the business in the eyes of the public. Now who is the public? Public means all the parties with which the business is doing transactions directly or indirectly, like customers, suppliers, dealers, government. All these are the part of the public. And how the public relation programs help to create the image, like in this, mostly the companies are doing fulfilling their social responsibilities, which is also known as CSR, corporate social responsibilities. And to create the good image of the company, they can do anything for the welfare of the society, and sometimes they are spending a lot of amount, huge expenditure for the welfare of the society, like expenditure on the upkeep of the parks and gardens in the city, sponsoring sports and cultural events, doing anything for any NGO, any charity organization. So all these are the part of the public relation. In earlier time, public relation was not very important, but nowadays when customer taste and preferences are changing on daily basis, and MNCs have entered in our domestic industry sector, as well as competition is growing very fast, and each and every seller is just trying to sell off his products, and they are facing cutthroat competition. So in that case, this element has become most important out of all these four. So earlier there was not a separate department for maintaining good relations. Nowadays, every big company, every MNC is having a different department. Marketing department that will be helping to market the goods, to sell the goods, and a separate department is there to manage the public relations. It's called the Public Relation Department, PRD, Public Relation Department. And most of the companies are also appointing PRO. PRO means public relation officers. They will be helping to manage the image of the. आप लोगों ने सुना भी होगा बेटा, जितने भी फिल्म स्टार और सेलिब्रिटीज होते हैं, they are also having their public relation officer who maintain their image. अगर कुछ भी उनके बारे में गलत आ जाता है न्यूज़पेपर में, तो जो उनके public relation officers होते हैं, they try to improve their image. Why the many superstars and many celebrities are connected with the many NGOs and the other organizations, just to create a good public image in the eyes of the public. So role of the public relation, what is the role of the public relation, or we can say role here means what are the public relation functions, scope of the public relation. First is the press relation, information. Make sure this question comes in 6 marker whenever this question comes in a case study form. So press relations, information about the organization need to be presented in a positive manner in the press. The public relation department is in the contact of the press with the media to present the true facts. Sometime कुछ गलत facts आ जाते हैं किसी भी कंपनी के बारे में, तो उस टाइम जो पब्लिक रिलेशन डिपार्टमेंट है वो सामने आता है और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है और वो ट्रू फैक्ट सामने लाते हैं. लाइक कुछ फ्यू इयर्स बैक मैगी का केस आपने सुना होगा. उससे पहले कैडबरी का केस आया था मार्केट में कि कैडबरी इज नॉट गुड फॉर, उसमें कुछ इंसेक्टिसाइड्स थे. फिर मैगी का भी केस आया कि उसमें कुछ पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं. तो जब इन दोनों कंपनीज की बैड इमेज हो गई बहुत ज्यादा और लोगों ने प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदना बंद कर दिया, तो कैडबरी ने ब्रांड एम्बेसडर अपॉइंट किया उस टाइम पर मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन को. और दिवाली का टाइम था वो, और वो कुछ मीठा हो जाए वाली जो है टैगलाइन आई थी, और धीरे धीरे कैडबरी की जो इमेज है, जब लोगों को लगता है कि एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर मतलब एक बहुत ही रेप्यूटेड पर्सन ऑफ सोसाइटी इज यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, so they never hesitate to buy that product, because those people, public is so much convinced of that celebrity. When they watch on the television or they listen on the radio or FM that the celebrity is गोइंग टू स्पॉन्सर दैट प्रोडक्ट, गोइंग टू यूज दैट प्रोडक्ट, तो उनके माइंड में एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट अपने आप ही बनना शुरू हो जाता है और वो उस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने लग जाते हैं. सेम वाज विद द मैगी. मैगी का भी बहुत मतलब लोगों ने मैगी खरीदना बिल्कुल बंद कर दिया था, तो उस केस में मैगी का जो पब्लिक रिलेशन डिपार्टमेंट था वही सामने आया और उन्होंने ही मैगी की इमेज को इम्प्रूव किया. तो बेसिकली पब्लिक रिलेशन डिपार्टमेंट एक्टिव रहता है, बट ज्यादा एक्टिव कब होता है, जब कंपनी के लिए कुछ बैड इमेज क्रिएट हो जाती है, तो उस इमेज को ठीक करने के लिए सामने आते हैं. नेक्स्ट, प्रोडक्ट पब्लिसिटी. Definitely they will be doing the publicity of the product. The public relation department advises the top management that the company can draw attention to new products by sponsoring sports. Yes, you may have seen जो Chinese company जब इंडिया में आई थी, like Vivo या जो भी Oppo या जो भी और जो जितने भी मोबाइल Chinese company है, they were sponsoring all the big major events in India, all the big TV reality shows. Why? क्योंकि उनको पता था कि बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ वो शो देख रहे हैं, स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट हैं, बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, तो that was a good medium to do the publicity of their product. जो भी होस्ट होते हैं उन इवेंट्स के, वो बार बार उस प्रोडक्ट का नेम लेते हैं कि दिस इवेंट इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग। तो इससे लोगों में एक पॉजिटिव इमेज हो जाती है, और जब बार बार लोग उसी प्रोडक्ट का नाम सुनते हैं तो वो उनके माइंड में फिक्स हो जाता है, एंड दे डोंट हेजिटेट टू बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट। सो पीआर डिपार्टमेंट आल्सो हेल्प्स इन प्रोडक्ट पब्लिसिटी। देन कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन। कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन, कंपनी इमेज कैन बी प्रमोटेड थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन विद द पब्लिक एंड द एम्प्लॉइज विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो जो भी एम्प्लॉइज हैं कंपनी के, उनके साथ जब बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं, देन इट इज नोन एज कॉर्पोरेट कम्युनिकेशन। And how this communication is done with the help of newsletters, annual reports, brochures, speeches by the company's executive. You can see जितने भी business channel है, उन पे जो बड़ी बड़ी जो different companies हैं, MNCs हैं, उनके जो CEO है, board of directors है, they just give their speech on their channels or the other press meetings, or sometime they are doing the video conferencing also. Lobbying is a very important. It means कि जो healthy relationship है with government officials and ministers in charge of corporate affairs, like all the big companies, all the big giants in Indian economy always maintain their relationships with the ministers. Which type of ministers? Like the corporate ministers, like commerce ministers or the industry ministers. And why? Because they will be taking all the decisions about the Indian industry and commerce. So whenever the ministers are going to take any decision, they are not taking all the decision by themselves. They also seek opinion of the different big MNC owners. And in this case, the public relation department maintains good and healthy relationship with all these government officials, so that whatever the decisions are, whatever the policies are made with respect to the finance industry, banking, so that definitely benefit their business. Then counseling. Sometimes the public relation department advise the top management that the company can build goodwill by contributing money and time to certain causes, like wildlife uh, environment protection to the wildlife, children right education, child labor prevention. So all these things the money can be spent on. So for this, the public relation department counsels the top management, means gives the advices to the top management that they have to spend money on such social causes to create a good image. And along with this, different other marketing objectives are achieved by the public department, like building awareness. Awareness can be like public relation department can take stories and dramatize the product in the media. This will build marketplace excitement before the product reaches to the market. It means product is not launched till now, but through the media, through the video conferencing, or through any other thing, they are creating awareness about their product. So people start, लाइक जब टाटा ने नैनो इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो नैनो लॉन्च भी नहीं हुआ था, मतलब मार्केट में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हुई थी, बट जो मिस्टर रतन टाटा थे और जो टाटा कंपनी के जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स थे, उन्होंने न्यूज में आकर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बताया था लोगों को कि स्मॉल कार बनाने जा रहे हैं वो लोगों के लिए, और उसका जो प्राइस है वो बहुत ही जो है कम होगा, एंड दैट विल बी रियली बेनिफिशियल फॉर द लोअर सेगमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. सो दे क्रिएटेड एन अवेयरनेस अबाउट देयर प्रोडक्ट. तो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्चिंग से पहले ही अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो गई और एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट बन गया. This usually creates a favorable impression on the target customer. Then building credibility. If news about a product comes in the media, whether print or electronic, it always builds credibility. Credibility here means trust. Whenever news channels are going to show news on any product, any innovative product of a company, then definitely it will create a positive environment, positive thought in the mind of the people about that particular product. Why? Because that product is shown in the news. Then stimulate sales force. When there is already a positive environment in the environment about the product, means people are having a good image about the product, so they are coming to the retailers, they are demanding for the products, so it will be definitely going to stimulate the sales force, because now they need not to do effort in making sales, because there is always a good image of the product in the mind of the people, so they need not to convince the people. They will be it will be very easy to sell the product. Lowers promotion cost. So maintaining good public relations, if you are having already a good image in the market, then you need not to spend a huge amount on the advertisements. You need not to offer discounts. Like Apple is having a good image, Apple is having a good segment of satisfied people, so it need not, you can आप देखो कि जब भी न्यूज़पेपर में आप देखते हैं या फिर आप न्यूज़ में देखते हैं, टीवी में देखते हैं, ऐड देखते हैं, तो जो बहुत बड़ी वाली कंपनीज है, ब्रांडेड प्रोडक्ट है, जिनके बहुत हाई प्राइसेस होते हैं, नॉर्मली वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स नहीं करते हैं। क्यों नहीं करते हैं? उसके पीछे एक रीजन है कि ऑलरेडी उनकी जो इमेज है मार्केट में, दैट इज गुड इमेज, और जो क्लासी पीपल है, दे आर ऑलरेडी बाइंग देयर प्रोडक्ट, so no need to spend money, huge money on the advertisement. So definitely good public image will lead to the lower promotion cost. So all this is about the public relation, and we have completed the chapter here. तो पब्लिक रिलेशन मीन्स जब भी आपके सामने इमेज वाला क्वेश्चन आएगा कंपनी की इमेज को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, द आंसर विल बी पब्लिक रिलेशन. नाउ वी विल डू सम MCQs. So I am, yes Tanmay, I am unmuting you. Tanmay. Yes Tanmay, start reading MCQ first.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Choose the correct option to answer the following question. First, sale promotion refers to short-term incentives that encourage customer to buy product. Second, dealing with customer. Third, promotion producer. Fourth,
Brother, can you give me
promoting
answers,
deal with
please?
intermediaries.
Yes, tell me the answer. I am waiting for your answer, students. Sales promotion. I had given you one word for each and everything. One word. Yes. Tanmay, bolo answer. Yes.
Answer.
Sales promotion. Which important word I given you for sales promotion? Yes, everyone has given me answer. Yes, दिशांक शर्मा, you are correct. मैंने आपको बता दिया है, but कुछ CBSE करिकुलम कह रहा है कि रोल ऑफ प्रमोशन आएगा और कुछ कह रहे हैं नहीं आएगा. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल टॉपिक. अगर हमने कर भी लिया है तो इट डज नॉट मैटर. Yes, answer is A. Very good. Short-term incentive. Sales promotion is a short-term incentive. Yes, Tanmay, read next question. Past.
Within a very short period of time, Shalini Limited has created a very positive reputation about itself and its product in the eyes of general public by participating intensively in a various social welfare program. Which
Yes.
component of promotion mix is being discussed here? Advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relation.
Yes, tell me the answer, please. Yes, everyone is giving me correct answer. Very good, students. It's D, public relations. So
Public
wherever
relation.
reputation and image is talked about, the answer will be public relation. So now I am unmuting Abhishek Agarwal. No, Anirudh Gupta. Anirudh, I have unmuted you. Yes, Anirudh. It means you are not listening me. Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh. Start reading case study, beta. Yes, very good. Start with the case study.
According to Phillips Kotler, marketing is a social process by which individuals and groups.
Where are you?
Sorry.
Case, crack the case, beta. Crack the case.
Yes. Recently, Nestle's population brand of noodles called Maggi faced a lots of criticism from media, courts, and the society at large when excessive lead content was found in the noodles. Now, Maggi has already got a clean chit from Bombay High Court, and it has been declared safe for consumption. The company wishes to rebuild its product reputation once again in the market. Name and state the marketing tool that should be used by the Nestle to achieve its objective.
Yes. What is the answer, students? Crack the case. Out of the 4 elements, marketing tool that should be used by Nestle to achieve its objective. Yes, I told you earlier also, whenever a company's image, company's reputation is talked about, then you cannot give the answer promotion mix, because promotion mix is the whole concept. Yes. Then what will be the answer? Yes. Yes,
Relation.
Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh.
Press relation.
Press relation नहीं बेटा. The answer is public relation. It's not press relation. Public relation. So फिर से मैं बता रही हूँ आपको इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बता रही हूँ. अगर क्वेश्चन में आपको मास टारगेट के बारे में बोला गया है तो आप कॉमनली यूज्ड टूल के बारे में बोला गया है तो आंसर एडवर्टाइजिंग होगा. अगर फेस टू फेस कांटेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग की बात हो रही है तो आपका आंसर पर्सनल सेलिंग होगा. और अगर क्वेश्चन में शॉर्ट टर्म इंसेंटिव की बात हुई है तो आंसर आपका सेल्स प्रमोशन होगा. और अगर इमेज और रेपुटेशन की बात हुई है तो आपका आंसर पब्लिक relation होगा. Okay, now the chapter is completed here and here is the quick recap what we have done in this chapter. कल हम assignment discuss करेंगे और उसके बाद एक या दो क्लास में मैं आपको project work के बारे में सब समझाऊंगी. आप start कर सकते हो करना. Then the quick recap: marketing, meaning of marketing we did, then functions of marketing, all these functions we have done, and I told you while doing the function that all these topics we will be doing as a topic wise. So then the marketing management philosophies, product concept, in which emphasis on availability and affordability, then product concept. So first was the production and second is the product concept. Emphasis on the quality of the product. Selling concept, emphasis on the sales promotional efforts, means more expenditure is done on advertising, sales promotion, personal selling and public relation to sell the product. The main motive is only to sell the product. Marketing concept, customer, this was the first concept in which the need of the customer was identified and tried to satisfy them. Societal marketing concept, these are the 5 marketing concepts or marketing management philosophies. Societal marketing concept, the concept in which customer welfare was considered. Then marketing mix is a set of or combination of 4 P's. I told you: product mix, price mix, place mix and promotion mix. All these combinedly known as marketing mix. Elements of marketing mix, these 4 I told you: product mix, price mix, place mix and promotion mix. Then product mix means taking all the important decisions about the product, taking about the quality, design, each and everything about the product. So here you are going to manufacture the product and you are taking 3 important decisions about the product: branding, labeling and packaging. In branding, I told you many concepts. Branding is a process. Then brand name, brand mark. Brand name is that part of the brand which can be spoken. Brand mark is that part of brand which cannot be spoken. It is a design or symbol or any logo. Then advantages of branding to seller to consumers. We have done this in detail. Main advantages of branded to seller is product differentiation and for customer product identification. Then status symbol also for the customer, and branded product always ensures for the quality, good quality. Then characteristics of a good brand name. Make sure students, while deciding the brand name of your product, you have to consider all these features of a good brand name. First of all, good brand name must be simple, easy to pronounce and short so that it can be memorized. It is, if possible, it should be suggestive, means it should tell the benefits of the product. It should be different or unique, for example thumbs up, Synthol, etc. It should remain constant for a reasonable period of time. It should not be selected, an identical brand name should not be selected, because if you are selecting any identical brand name, then you will not be able to get it registered or it cannot be patented. Then packaging means designing and producing the packages and putting the product in that package: wrapper, container, boxes. So here I told you 3 levels of packaging. That is the primary level, secondary level. Primary level, product, the package in which actually the product is kept. Secondary level provides the additional layer of protection to the primary package, and the transportation, the big cartons in which the product is kept to transport the goods. Functions of packaging, then importance of packaging with it. Then labeling. Label is an information carrier, and labeling is a process of designing the label and putting on the package. Okay, designing the label. So in your project work, you have to also design the label, backside label and front side label, both label. Then the functions of labeling. Then factors affecting price distribution, pricing, price mix, in which we did the pricing objectives, product cost, utility and demand, extension of competition, and then government and regulation, and last was the marketing methods used. Then channels of distribution, place mix, direct channel, indirect channel. Direct channel is also known as zero level channel. indirect, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, and according to the nature of your product you are going to select the channel. Then components of physical distribution: order processing, transportation, warehousing, inventory control. I told you all these four components, and in this chapter 3, 4, 6 marker topics are there, like promotion mix, marketing mix, and this topic, components of physical distribution. It's a very important topic from 6 marker point of view. It has four. Physical distribution means physical handling of the goods, in which the title of the ownership is transferred from the manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to consumer. Order processing, transportation creates place utility, warehousing creates time utility. In order processing, speedy delivery is promised. Inventory control, you have to decide the levels of the control, levels of the inventory. There must not be understocking or overstocking. Then the promotion mix, four elements are there in promotion mix: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relation. So you are going to learn the definitions of all these terms. Any definition can come in 1 marker question. Okay. So tomorrow we will be discussing the assignment of the chapter.